This video I will explain how to pay bills and recharge using Google Pay. Google Pay is a digital payment app. Using that, you can pay your utility bills, recharge your mobile, and make online payments directly from your bank account. Google Pay works through UPI. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. It is a safe system that connects your bank account to the app so you can make payments instantly. What are the different types of payments you can make with Google Pay? You can pay almost all common household bills and personal bills using Google Pay. This includes mobile recharges, electricity bills, water bills, gas bills, broadband and Wi-Fi payments, DTH recharges, insurance premiums, and credit card payments. Now we will see how to pay a bill using Google Pay. Step 1 is initiate payment. You have to open the Google Pay app, and on the home screen you can see bills or recharge and pay bills. Tap on that. Then the second step is bill selection. Choose the type of bill you want to pay. For example, it can be electricity, water, or mobile postpaid. Then select your bill provider. For example, your state electricity board or gas company. Then enter your consumer number, account number, or mobile number, depending on the bill type. Then the third step is bill retrieval and review. Google Pay will automatically fetch your bill details from the provider. Review the bill amount and account information carefully. The fourth step is payment. Tap on the pay bill and enter your UPI PIN to confirm the payment. Once the payment is done, you will receive a confirmation message both in Google Pay and from your bank. Now we will see how to recharge your mobile using Google Pay. If you are using prepaid mobile connection, Google Pay makes it very easy to recharge your phone. First, you have to open the Google Pay app, then tap on mobile recharge, then enter your mobile number or select it from your contacts. Then choose your mobile operator. For example, it can be Airtel, Jio, or Vodafone. Then select a plan or amount from the list shown. Then tap on proceed to pay. Then confirm the payment using your UPI PIN. The recharge will complete within a seconds, and you will get message from your mobile operator confirming it. Now we will see how to pay for DTH or Wi-Fi. Using Google Pay, you can also recharge your DTH or pay for your broadband or internet. First, you have to open the Google Pay and tap on bills or DTH. Then select your service provider. It can be Tata Play, Airtel DTH, or Act Broadband. Then enter your subscriber ID or account number. Then tab on Fetch Bill to view your due amount. Then confirm the amount and tab Pay Bill. Then enter your UPI PIN to complete the payment. You will receive an instant confirmation once your payment is successful. Now we will see how to set up automatic bill reminders. Google Pay can remind you when your bills are due. After your first successful bill payment, Google Pay automatically saves your biller. The next month, it will show a reminder notification when your new bill is generated. You have to just need to tab on Pay again. No need to enter the details every time. This feature helps you to avoid missing due dates for recurring bills. Now we will see how to view your bill and payment history. You can always check which bills you have paid or when your recharge was done. You have to open the Google Pay, then you can see Show Transaction History. Tab on that. You will see list of all your past payments and recharges. Tab on any transaction to view the date, amount, and biller name. This is helpful if you need to track your spending or show proof of payment later. Now we will see what are the safety tips you have to follow when paying bills. First, always double check the biller details before making payment. You have to ensure you are on the official Google Pay app from the Play Store or App Store. You should not share your UPI PIN to anyone. You have to review the bill amount before confirming the payment. You have to keep a notification on so you know immediately when payments succeed. Google Pay uses bank level security and encryption, so your money is safe as long as you stay cautious and follow these steps.